Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need an assortment of random beads that you have, scissors, a lighter, a piece of string, and you're also going to need, I have this giant ice cream cone. It's filled with these big chunky beads. I'm pretty sure Bead 10 has these. Hobby Lobby might have them. Joann's might have them. But you're going to need 4 of those. And today we're going to do a little story time with this tutorial. I want to let you guys know the inspiration behind this bracelet. So I started going to raves and making candy in 2000. And back then, candy looked a lot different than it does today. We really only had simple, like, single bracelets and necklaces. And in 2001, I received this piece of candy. This was the first time I saw multiple strands or anything other than a single or a necklace. So this pretty much blew my mind, and this is what started everything for me. I got it at this party called Electromass. This is the flyer for the event. And here is the lineup. And the back has like the info line that you had to call. Pretty cool. But yeah, so this started everything for me. Once I got this, I was inspired and went crazy from there. And also, candy that was bigger than a single, we called fat candy or fatties. So this was a fat candy. So to make this, we're going to put on one of these big beads, and then there's going to be no pattern. You're just going to use whatever beads you have. And use this as a reference. I would say about 2 inches maybe. And then you'll string on another big bead. And another reason candy was kind of like you use random beads. A lot of times we would get those big mixed like packs of beads and just use those. Like they had the coolest beads in them. Then put on another big bead. Maybe I'll move this back. Yeah, the more random, the better. Alright, I have to use a different one. That one had a bead stuck in the middle. That's what it looks like so far. I think I'll add one more. Okay, when you get to this point, you can tie it. And then we can cut this end off. Okay, now we can take our string and go through this big bead here. And then put on some random beads. And then what you want to do is just, all right, maybe one less, is just try to make them as even as possible. And then go through the big bead. Maybe one more. And then go through the big bead. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this row, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll start my next one. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. We have 2 rows done. Now we're just going to repeat that. So you'll measure to make sure that that is the same length, and then go through. And we'll go ahead and do that all the way around. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll start the next row. This is what it looks like so far. And I forgot to mention that the guy that gave this to me, his name was Eric, and he was from Indiana. So if you're out there, Eric, what's up? I still have the candy you gave me. Alright, so this is going to be the last time that we go around. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, I'm at the end here, and I went ahead and tied off on one of these strings. It doesn't matter which one, but this is what it looks like. And this is the original. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.